Today we are going to discuss an important topic. That one is principle of calorimetry. Okay, so what is principle of calorimetry? First we are going to discuss it. So principle of calorimetry says that when two substances mix together which are at different temperature, then heat loss by hot body is equal to heat gain by cold body. Let's understand by example. Suppose we have one iron ball. This one is one iron ball which is at temperature 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, I have considered T2 for the temperature of iron ball. Okay, so its temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Its mass I have considered M2, and its specific heat capacity I have considered C2. And there is one another substance, that one is our oil, and this oil has temperature 20 degrees Celsius and it has mass m1 and its specific heat capacity is c1. So when I put this iron ball which is at 100 degrees Celsius to this oil, so what will happen? So this metal ball is at higher temperature and this oil is at lower temperature. Okay, so this one is considered as cold body and this one is our hot body. Okay, so what will happen? The heat transfer will take place from hot body to cold body. So in this case our hot body is iron ball. Okay, so heat is going to transfer from iron ball to the this oil. So after some time when I put this ball inside the liquid, after some time this ball is going to lose its heat and this oil is going to absorb the heat. Okay, and after some time they will attain one temperature. Okay, that one is our final temperature of mixture. Okay, so this one I have considered as T is the final temperature of mixture, and this T is, we can say that after some time, okay, when we mix both the metal, after some time their temperature become equal. Okay, so that temperature is T, or we can say that final temperature of mixture. So this one is T. Now suppose I apply principle of calorimetry on this system. So by principle of calorimetry we can write like that: heat loss by hot body. So what is our hot body? This iron ball. Okay, so heat loss by iron ball is equal to heat gain by oil. Okay, this oil is our cold body. Okay, so heat loss by iron ball is equal to heat gain by oil. Okay, so what is the formula for heat loss? So heat loss means we have to write the expression for heat. That one is, we know that the expression for heat is Q is equal to mc delta T. This one is the expression for heat loss or absorbed or gained by any object. So we can write here Q M for heat loss by iron ball. We are writing this expression Q is equal to mc delta T. Okay, so for iron ball, what is the mass? We have considered m1, a specific heat capacity c1, and delta T is the change in temperature for iron ball. So initially iron ball is at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and its final temperature is going to what? Its final temperature is going to T. Okay, because this one is the final temperature. Okay, so iron ball का temperature 100 से कहाँ पे जाएगा? T degree Celsius पे. Okay, so we can write T2 minus T. Now we are going to write the expression for this one, heat gain by oil or cold body. Okay, so its expression is M2 C2 delta T means change in temperature. Okay, so for oil, what is the change in temperature? Its initial temperature is T1 and final temperature is T. Okay, you should remember one thing, that okay, this final temperature T is always less than temperature of hot body, and it is always greater than temperature of cold body. Okay, so so see here, this one is the temperature of our oil, which is at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, but when I put this ball inside this liquid, its temperature is going to increase. ओके, सो जो इसका इनिशियल टेम्परेचर है ऑयल का, उससे ज़्यादा ये टेम्परेचर जो फाइनल टेम्परेचर है वो होगा। तो हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे, T - T1। सो दिस वन इज द एक्सप्रेशन।